11 p.m. advisory just came out, and it is now back to a Category 4 hurricane status. Winds up to 130 miles per hour, pressure down to 942. So it has strengthened since the past couple of hours. It is moving now northwest. Earlier we had a west-northwesterly motion. Now we have what we want to see, that northwesterly motion there. It's moving at 12 miles per hour. So it's still expected to work its way in that motion and then eventually making that curve away from the continental United States. Still something we're going to be watching because it is going to increase the swells offshore as well as increase our rip current risk throughout our area beaches all the way up the eastern seaboard. And it's going to eventually start to slow down, especially from Wednesday into Thursday as it weakens back down to a Category 1 hurricane, but still expected to maintain Category 3 strength at least all the way through Wednesday morning. So this is going to stay over a couple hundred miles off to our east. But again, of a storm of this magnitude, we can still expect to see those waves kicking up. So let's take a look over the next couple of hours between now through tomorrow morning. Off to a quiet start for your Monday. As we head into the afternoon, we'll start to see a few showers rolling in, developing along the sea breeze, mainly inland. One or two storms could lean on the stronger side, producing some pretty strong wind gusts there. Most of the activity, though, ending up on the western half of the state. Now, come Tuesday, we'll see our wind direction becoming more northeasterly, so that could bring in a couple showers as we head throughout your mid-morning and through the afternoon, so keep the umbrella nearby for that. But take a look what happens Wednesday early morning. About 400 plus miles to our east, there's a major hurricane we're talking about. There's Aaron just east of the Bahamas there. So again, we're going to see deteriorating beach conditions definitely from the Treasure Coast all the way as far north there across the state of Florida and off towards the eastern seaboard. Sea heights kicking up though. We could see wave heights well offshore up to 30 feet, almost up to 40 feet out of point as well. For us, we could see those seas at around 5 to 7, even up to 9 feet well offshore. So haven't really seen some big waves over the past couple of days, so definitely going to see an increase in that. And of course, the rip current risk is one of those things that we look out for, especially whenever there's storms in the Atlantic. So here is your very healthy Hurricane Aaron. You can see a more defined eye wall once again, and much bigger than what it was looking like yesterday. Wind field of the storm, hurricane force winds extend about 50 miles away from the center, with tropical storm force winds extending over 200 plus. Taking a look off to the east of that, though, we have another tropical wave that's moved off of Africa, and once it moves into this area that you're seeing shaded in orange, then it'll have a better chance to further develop into a depression or even the next named storm, which is Ferdinand, and then it will get close to the Lesser Antilles and the Leeward Islands. So this is something we're going to be monitoring again, this area over the next couple of days. It is nearing the peak of the hurricane season, and whenever we see these waves moving off of Africa, typically, again, that's something that we're just going to keep an eye on there for you. Otherwise, back at home, quiet conditions there across the board. A couple showers and storms still across the western half of the state, but for now, staying warm. Temperatures still in the 80s, feeling like the 90s. Southeast